Looks good. No dice. Have you got a blown tail like I do on a VE Commodore or a Pontiac G8? Well, good, because I've got to show you how to change it. It's easy as. These cars use this type of globe here. It's a P21 5 watts dual stop tail combination. They're pretty cheap. I don't know what I paid for this. It was so cheap that I didn't even notice it. The dual stop tail means that you've got the filament in the light bulb. There's one bit that's the parking light, which is what's blown on the other side, and one bit that really lights up when your brakes are on. Open your boot, ignore the mess. We need to remove this net, and then first thing, we've got to take this panel off. Now, you've got to get this panel off here. There's only 4 little screws that come out, and it's these things here. 1, 2, and 3, 4 on the other side, and you can take them out by hand. Really, really straightforward. Don't lose these bits. Ow! Blood blister! Now this bit should just come off if you put your fingers in these 2 tabs and just give it a yank, like so. Here's the Meatball Garage Band-Aid, napkin, masking tape, good to go. Right, we've got to tear this bit off here. Before I do actually, has anyone's Commodore or G8 or HSV or Statesman, does all of these just come away over time? I don't know, but it seems for me they always have. There are a couple of interior clips you need to take out. There's one up here that needs to come out, and you should use a clip removal tool to do that. This has never been, there you go, there it is there. That's never in for me, so it doesn't really matter. And that just comes away like that and gives us access to the taillight module there. So here's your taillight assembly here. To work out which one's which, that one there is your stop tail, that one there is your indicator, and that one there is your reverse light. So just have a look from outside, or have a look at your book, because it's all there in your book. To remove these, or remove any of these, you just got to grab it and turn it anti-clockwise. There we are. And that shall reveal, oh, look at that, our blown globe, and isn't that a ripper? That is a proper blown globe. Right, to get it out, just push in and turn it out anti-clockwise. There we are. That's a cracker. Right, here's our newie. Chuck it in, turn it clockwise, and then we insert back in the holder and turn that clockwise. Now, we're going to check if it works before we button everything up. Right, I've just got the key. Unlock. Hey, we're back on. You ripper. Right, all is well. We're going to just reassemble everything, which means just chucking this bit of trim back, using the trim clip, and actually securing it, not like what I did before. Lovely. Before you put that bit back here, you actually have to lift this bit up here, which is your spare wheel cover. If you don't do that, you won't be able to lift it up if you need your spare wheel or store anything in there. So I'm just going to prod this up like that. I love that. That is excellent. And now we can chuck our bit in and we can have a look at my glorious unused spare wheel. How this goes in. Just feed it through gently. And boom. Pop that back down. There we are. So now, give you a bit of light. You can see that I can freely lift that. You just got to whack these screws back in on both sides. That's a 2-minute job. Just got to make sure that these bits are lined up. Look at that, even with my injured hand. Now you just got to chuck your net back in. Pretend none of the crap that you've got in your boot exists. And you're done. I hope that was useful to you. If it is, give us a thumbs up or leave a comment if you thought it was stupid. Anyway, I'll see you soon.